So this is the spanner. So we can use this spanner to open a pre-filter bowl. You can also use it to close and tighten the pre-filter bowl. So I will show you how we can use it. So here I am going to open this pre-filter bowl. So we can use this panel like this. Just insert it and just open like this. See, now it's opened. So after that, if you want to change the pre-filter, you can change it. Just wash the bowl and change the pre-filter. Then I am going to close it. You can just close it like this. So we can also use this spanner to tighten the pre-filter bowl like this. Use the same way and it will help you to tighten. Okay, done. So after that, you can connect the in and out pipes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So if you have any doubt, please comment.